Hello children, have you ever wondered why do you need to eat food every day? Well, the answer is you need food every day to get energy, to do day-to-day activities, to grow and to help your body remain healthy by fighting diseases. Different foods have different nutrients that help you in many different ways. Some nutrients provide energy, others help you to grow. Some other nutrients help you fight diseases. There are 6 main nutrients found in foods. These are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Let's learn about them in detail.
Proteins are nutrients that help your body in making new cells. Your body needs new cells to grow. That is why proteins are called body-building nutrients. Children need lots of proteins to grow. Carbohydrates. Sugars and starches are carbohydrates. These are nutrients that give you quick energy. That is why they are called energy-giving nutrients. Children who play a lot need a lot of carbohydrates. Fats are nutrients that give your body energy to store. Your body uses the stored fat for energy if it does not get enough food. Fat also helps to keep us warm. Your body also makes its own fat from the foods that you eat. Your body does not require too much fat to be healthy. Eating too much fat will make your body fat. It can also cause diseases of the heart when you become older. Fats are also energy-giving foods. Vitamins are a group of nutrients that your body needs for good health and proper vitamin A for good growth. Only a small quantity of each for eyesight vitamin is required. But if the body does not get any vitamin in proper quantity, it can cause dangerous diseases. These are also nutrients that your body requires in small quantities to remain healthy. Some minerals also help to build body parts. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods. Water. Water makes up more than half of your body weight. Water helps to digest food and get rid of waste. It is important for many other activities going on in your body. You lose a lot of water every day. You lose water when you sweat, breathe or pass urine. You must replace this water. All foods contain water. They give you some of the water required by your body. In addition, you must drink a lot of water to stay healthy. Most people need 6 to 8 glasses of water or other liquids every day.
Your diet is the food that you eat. For good health, your diet must have all the nutrients that your body needs in proper quantities. This is called a balanced diet.
We eat some foods such as fruits raw. They should be properly washed to get rid of dust and germs before eating. Other foods such as vegetables and cereals are cooked before eating. Cooking makes food soft, tasty and easy to digest. It also kills germs in the food. But overcooking of food destroys several nutrients in it. Food should be cooked in just enough water. Cooking in too much water and then throwing the water away makes food lose nutrients. Vegetables and fruit should not be washed after cutting. Many nutrients then get lost with the water.
Children, you must have often seen bananas or apples turning brown when kept outside for longer periods. You would have also noticed that if we do not keep the cooked food inside the refrigerator, it gets spoiled and starts emitting a bad smell, right? So it is important for us to preserve food in order to prevent it from going bad.
Food gets spoiled because germs and mold start growing in it. Germs and mold are living things. They require the things necessary for life in order to grow. If these things are stopped, they cannot grow and food will not get spoiled. Food can be stored for a few days in the refrigerator. This is because germs and mold cannot grow well in cold conditions. These days, you can get frozen foods in the market. These foods can be kept in the freezer of a refrigerator for several months. Foods that you get in bottles or cans have all the oxygen removed from them. This prevents the germs from growing. Another way to prevent germs from growing is to add preservatives to the food.
Some foods can be dehydrated by removing water from them and then sealing them in cans or packets. Since living cannot stay without water, germs are unable to grow in dehydrated food. The nutrients required by the body are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Different nutrients help the body in different ways. You must eat a balanced diet containing all the nutrients that your body needs in proper quantities. If food is not cooked properly, it loses its nutrients. Food can be preserved for long periods by not allowing germs and mold to grow in it. Till we meet next time, bye kids and take care.